The pyramids are some of the most awe-inspiring creations on the planet. Over the years, there has been much conjecture as to exactly how or why they were built. Here I will list 10 curious facts about the Great Pyramid of Giza. 10. There is so much stone mass used to make the pyramid that the inside temperature stays constant. What is more, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, which is the average temperature of the Earth. 9. The outer mantle was composed of 144,000 casing stones, all highly polished and flat to an accuracy of 1/100th of an inch, about 100 inches thick and weighing about 15 tons each. Quite how the stones were made to such high specifications is a mystery. 8. The cornerstone foundations of the pyramid have ball and socket joints. These allow the pyramid to expand and contract with the outside temperature and to cope during earthquakes. 7. The outer mantle was originally highly polished. Its surface would have reflected light. When the mantle was intact, the pyramid could have been seen from the mountains in Israel and even from space. 6. The Great Pyramid is the most accurately aligned structure in existence and faces true north with only 3/60ths of a degree of error. The position of the North Pole moves over time, and at one time the pyramid was perfectly aligned. 5. The curvature designed into the faces of the pyramid exactly match the curvature of the Earth. 4. The granite coffer in the King's Chamber is too big to fit through the passages, and so it must have been put in place during construction. The coffer was sawn out of a block of solid granite. This would have required bronze saws 8 to 9 feet long with teeth of sapphires. Hollowing out of the interior would have required two-wheeler drills of the same material applied with a tremendous vertical force. 3. The mortar used is of an unknown origin. It has been analysed and its chemical composition is known, but it cannot be reproduced. It is stronger than the stone and still holding up today. 2. It is reported that when the pyramid was first broken into, that the swivel door, weighing some 20 tons, was so well balanced that it could be opened by pushing out from the inside with only minimal force, but when closed was so perfect a fit that it could scarcely be detected, and there was not enough crack or crevice around the edges to gain a grasp from the outside. 1. Viewed from above, the Great Pyramid and the two next to it align exactly with the stars in Orion's belt. The Great Pyramid also has an air shaft that points towards the constellation of Orion. Exactly why, nobody knows. Curious 10s. Subscribe for more videos.